I'm gonna be going to get my mom a taro milk tea because she really likes taro, but she hasn't tried it from there, and I wanted to. And I'm going to a bakery because you'll see why. Don't mind me pull up Barbie on the bed, but I'm gonna journal for now and make a little calendar. This is the calendar I like to use. During school, I'm gonna be busy, so. I recently got this new book too. I haven't read it yet, but I've seen like good reviews on it, so I'm really excited. And I like to highlight or annotate stuff to send out to me whenever I read. Also, this is just here. This is like my favorite cup. It's like a Studio Ghibli cup, and I love drinking like anything in it. How do I set this up so it looks nice?
You gotta let go. Maybe it's a little too late, cause I already put my all to the table. Everything about me from the get-go. There goes another love song. Hate that it's becoming my usual. Taking things slow, I just can't control. Baby, I'm incapable. One day, show up. Show like I haven't sent you here. So I say hello. How you doing? Nice to meet you. All my friends, no, are telling me she might be bad news. Now I can't go back. Yeah, you know I'm caught up in you. I get obsessed so easily. Like honestly, what the fuck is wrong with me? I go 2 nights out with the girl and I think I'm in love. Why do I fall so easily? Or is it that she's so perfect for me? I can't keep on meeting the love of my life like this, but I guess I'm obsessed with you. Think I'm doing better. Take a little, but I got my head on. Finally taking a good care of me, myself, and I don't wanna wait no more. Trying everything I can, like meditating, keeping myself busy down to every second, so I don't have time to fantasize what could have been like for you and I. Then again, you show up, show like I haven't sent you here. So I say hello, how you doing? Nice to meet you. It's all the blame on me, cause you can't deny your natural beauty. Now I can't go back, yeah, you know